That's a good day right there. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adam here with Indy Farm Life. Today we're going to tackle a problem in our driveway. Having a John Deere loader in your driveway is certainly not a problem. So here's the quick and dirty for you guys. This tree, really crooked one, needs to come down. This entire area here, up to that red oak, needs to become gravel so that when we back out of the garage, we can actually back out straight instead of having to go around.
And we need to cut this tree down so we can put gravel, and then we can't bonk into that tree ever again.
That's right, it's in the way. Should we get the backhoe out?
Yes.
Let's do it. I'm gonna go grab the chainsaw. Hey, you spraying my backhoe, boy? All right. This tree is not very big, so I think I'm gonna do is just park the 580 here, notch it on the front side here, so it will fall toward me, and then put the hoe up there and just use the swing function to kind of knock it this way and then let it kick it over. That backhoe's awesome. Could I have cut that without the backhoe and made it fall where I wanted to? Yeah, probably. But when you have insurance like that, why not just use it? Put it exactly where you want it and clean it up, get it out of here, and then we'll get the wagon and tractor out and get some dirt up here. We're definitely gonna need the grapple. All right, we got most of that cleaned up. I didn't want to bring the grapple out in the yard and wreck the yard with the tines, so just stacked it in the drive. Never hurts to get the blood pumping. Right now, it's break time.
Don't do that! Only on the back of it.
I got it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, you wanna go for a ride? Let's do it.
But I don't have headphones.
Yeah, mine. Deal, huh? Excited? Come on up here, boy. Here, hold my hand.
I can do it.
Nice job. All right. You have fun? Good. The big guy's gonna dump it by himself. He guided me in here too. Gotta raise him right. All right. Tell you what, this wagon's so nice to have. Nice job, dude. Yep, push it down. Look. Like this. Let go. Like that. Get another one. We get it full enough? Alright, let's do it. Can you start this up for us? Nice job. That's a good day right there. This is gonna be my last load. Whether it's enough or not, we'll see, but call it on dirt and then we'll get stone in here. And whatever we're short on dirt-wise, we'll just fill with stone. I'd rather the stone base be a bit thicker anyway. What do you guys think? Think we can get this all in one scoop? Tell you what, anyone who says that a grapple is not one of the most useful things on a tractor have either A, never run one, or B, don't know how to run one, because I picked up an entire tree. Imagine doing all that by hand or just with the bucket. So I'm gonna pick up the rest of this stuff here and I'll jump back on with you guys when I have some stone. Here comes the stone. Well, I'd say that's probably going to be enough. Good thing I ordered a second load, huh? We'll put it out by the pond. Oh, that was nice. She's a pro. I'll tell you what, I have ordered so much stone, but I always forget just how much 53 they can pack into a quad axle aluminum bed dump truck. If you're wondering, it's about 22 ton. And I have a second one of these out by the barn. We can use the tractor if you want. Where are you taking that one? And dump it in the hole. Nice work. Almost done. Yeah, I got a whole lot more stone than I need, but you know what? That's the good problem to have. This area is going to drink it up though. As you can already see, it's settling quite a bit when I drive the tractor over it. That clay had about 3/4 inch of rain on it the other day, but no compaction other than that. So I expect this to settle, especially not having number 2 underneath it like all this here does. But I'm going to work off camera and clean this up a bit, and I'll give you guys a final shot. Well, we parked the low horsepower machine and traded it out for some of these high horsepower machines. Looks a lot better. It's be a nice space to have as we come directly out of that garage there and be able to back right up and not have to go around that tree. I'm getting it smoothed out. This will settle quite a bit, which is fine. So with most of this as being 53 here, we probably will want to put some boulders along the side to keep it from driving off. Not having two underneath this, the sides won't kind of hold up as well, which is fine. I got tired of buying two. This whole area had to come up about 3.5 feet, and I'm not kidding when I tell you guys that when we built the house, our aggregate supplier was like a top 10 vendor. It's crazy.
Oh, this is so heavy.
So heavy. Hey, smoothing it out, right? I set out ground beef or burgers if you want to do that. What do you think? Think we're done here, bud? Think we're done? Me too. Where are you going? You're going inside. We have work to do. Well, I think that's going to do it for us. At some point, we'll be carting more 53 up here as this settles, but so be it. If you guys enjoyed this one, hit that subscribe button. Come back and see me. Remember, if you did not enjoy it, triple tap the like button. Comment below, tell me how much you didn't like it, and share it with your friends and tell them what a terrible video you just witnessed. 53 is my favorite kind of aggregate. Do you guys have a favorite kind of aggregate?